Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy and welcome to another brand new video on this channel. And today in this video I'm going to review this iPhone 10-15 smartwatch which I'm wearing for near about 2 weeks right now. And in this video I'm going to give you a depth review of this watch. Is this watch worth this money? We'll find out in this video. So guys, let's get started. Hey, what's up guys, this is Roy. Welcome to another unboxing video on this channel. And today I have a smartwatch. And this watch came in this small box, and on the side just written a smartwatch. Our notice, please charge your watch band before using, thank you. And on the back we have the various features of this watch: pedometer, speedometer, heart rate test, air pressure, stopwatch, compass, notification, etc. So that's it on the box. And this is where you can get this watch. It's from gearbase.com, and the name of the watch is 10-15 iPhone Sport Smart Watch Phone, and the price is $60 from gearbase.com. I'm really pumped to unbox this box. I'm waiting for a month for this watch, and finally it's arrived. So guys, let's unbox it. Got it. That on this side. Open it. Yes, so that's the watch. Oh, inside this we have pillow. Nice pillow, is it? This is the watch. Let's peel this sticker off. What else we have inside this box? A user manual with various information how you can use this watch. And this is the QR code for downloading, I think, the mobile application. And that side we have a charging cable, and they also give a screen guard, and we have a SIM tray ejector. That's it inside the box. Here I have the screen guard. This is not a tinted glass, but it's just a plastic screen guard. So this is the back. You need to remove it and don't touch anywhere. Just place over the screen and then remove the front part, the screen guard. The build quality of this 10-15 smartwatch is decent, and on the top I think this is kind of built out of metal, feel like hard plastic, and the watch strap is made out of soft premium quality TPU material. And on the right side we have a USB port. Let's open it. This is the USB port. It's for charging, so you can just plug it here and charge by a USB cable. This is the camera. You can see this is the camera. This is the power button, power on off button. And on this side we have the SIM tray, and I think this is the microphone. So this is the power button. Press and hold to turn it on. It's turning on. Wow, some welcome logo, smartwatch. Now this is the watch face. Tap, you will get a different watch face. This is another watch face. And if you tap and swipe down, it show you various menus. Swipe down, brightness, max brightness, Bluetooth, volume. This is the volume, and here we have a QR code for downloading the application. So let's download it. Go to website, Phone Duo, Google Play. Now this is the app we just downloaded. Never give up. Okay, so that's the apps. And what else we have? And this is the compass. It says it's north. Stopwatch. This is the air pressure. It's 1008 HPA. And heart rate. Check the heart rate. So when you tap it, there is a green light blinking, and you can put anywhere on your finger. It will work also. Testing. Now it's showing the real-time heart rate. 68, 69, 70, 80, 79, 80. So it's now in history. We have sleep. Sleep, this is for sleep monitoring. If you wear this watch and sleep, it will show you like how long you have a deep sleep and how long you have light sleep. Then you have steps, how much steps, like this is the pedometer, so it will count your steps. And this is the watch face again, so it will rotate again. Up down you will get same thing. So from right to left, it give you various sportsy mode like walking, cycling. This is the cycling mode. Wow. Cost time. It will show you so many things. Yeah, right. Running, cycling, climbing, history, sports settings, and if you tap here, you get dialer, then Bluetooth, find my device, phone book, call log. Voice calling is a little bit weird. You also get file manager, app download, and camera, image viewer, video recorder, sound, alarm, clock, world clock. Oh my god, world clock, what is this? Wow, it shows you the world clock. It's in Beijing. I have to go to Kolkata. Okay, here. Finally, it's New Delhi. Okay, done. Now let's pair it, guys, with this device. Now go to Bluetooth. Now go to phone to pair it. Okay, refresh. I find my phone, MI5 connect, pairing request, pair with a phone, allow, pair, new. Okay, now open a phone view. So now this application is connected with the phone. Find my device. So it's ringing on this phone. Call log, remote capture. If I turn on this remote capture, look at what happened. Remote capture. It will on the camera, and you can capture a picture using this phone, like capture. Recent. This is the photo we just captured using this watch. And to find the watch, click here, find device. Okay. So now I'm going to insert this SD card and SIM inside this phone and test it. It supports up to 64 GB SD card. First power it off. Now use the SIM ejector to eject the tray. The tray is removed. This tray made out of plastic, feel really cheap and plasticky. So here on the top we have the SIM card, I think. Here on the top we have the SIM card slot, and on the bottom is the SD card. Insert the SIM card tray, turn, power it on. So we just get a message, view here too. So this is the message, back, and you can call using this number, like go to here, dialer, and you can dial like on 98, call, local call. Okay, here is the camera, guys. Yeah, you can see this is the camera. Here is my hand. It's not awesome camera, and you can option switch to video recorder. So this is camera. You can capture video. Like right now I'm recording a video. Play. This is the play. Wow, it's also captured the audio. So now let's take a picture. So this is the picture I captured using the camera. Not bad. as a little phone camera. Like this is an image viewer. You can view this image from here again. Then video player, you have recorder, sound recorder, alarm, calendar, calculator. Not that easy to touch. 25 plus 5 equal to 30. You can send message, write message. Oh, that's really hard. Like oh my god, it's so hard to type. You can type, definitely type, but it's a hard thing to do. So here is the music player, audio player. You can play music. Sound quality is average, but it's loud. You have pause, play, volume down, volume up. It's loud enough. This much loud sound from this OS. Here is the settings. You have option to set your home city. We got New Delhi. Done. Clock, sound. You can set the clock. Set the alert type, ringtone, notification tone. What is international? The language. Okay, auto sync. Language auto sync off, and now you can select your language. Onto there is so many languages supported. Motion, wake up gestures on. Like if I turn it off, pause, it automatically wake. And then we have reset, flight mode. Then we have auto change clock. What is this? Off, on. Okay, it automatically change the clock dial depending on the situation. About, let's do the about device name. There's a lot of features on this small OS. It's only $50. It's around $60, and it's got so many features. Let me show you guys the specification. The camera 0.3 pixel pedometer and 2G. The network support is only 2G. It supports GSM 800, 900 and 1800 megahertz. And it has 32 MB RAM and 120 MB ROM. And TF card, SD card support up to 64 GB. Completable OS, iOS and Android. GPS, it also have GPS. Bluetooth, yes, Bluetooth version 3 and 4. And then those are the languages supported. And the battery capacity is 430 mAh. It's good. So after using couple of weeks, I think this is a good smartwatch. The functionality, the sports functionality is pretty accurate. The heart rate monitor, the pedometer is pretty much accurate. And the thing I don't like about this watch is the calling facility of this watch is not good. And if you are in a noisy environment, it's really hard to hear the audio from this watch. So if you are in a city, some places there is so many people, you might not able to hear the sound, calling sound from the watch. And there is a Bluetooth 4.2 on this watch, but I am not able to connect a Bluetooth headset. So if you are thinking about connecting a Bluetooth headset with this watch, that's not going to happen because it don't support a Bluetooth headset. I tried 2-3 Bluetooth headset, but I am not able to get the audio on the Bluetooth headset. Maybe on the future update that will be supported. And this is my personal opinion. I feel like Xiaomi Amazfit OS is much better than this OS. So if you are just looking for a smartwatch without a calling facility, you definitely check the Xiaomi Amazfit OS. And if you guys want to check this OS, as always, link is in the description below. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely answer every one of your question. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Meet you on my next video. And if you guys have any review requests, let me know in the comment section below. I try to do that for you. And again, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to share this video with your friends who need a smartwatch.